The Centennial gives you a revolutionary new way to keep your pool clean. The Centennial has the power of pool vacuums costing 5 times as much, yet it's lightweight and easy for you to handle, picking up all kinds of dirt, debris, and leaves. Here, sand, acorns, and all sorts of dirt and debris will be effortlessly removed from your pool. The lithium-ion rechargeable battery lasts for up to 45 minutes on a single charge and saves you money and electricity. Once done with your vacuum, just plug it in to recharge the batteries and you'll be on your way in no time. The Centennial is a simple, easy-to-use guaranteed solution to clean any size or shape pool or spots. It works completely independent from your filter system. It works without hoses or electrical connections. The easy-to-clean internal filter keeps dirt and debris from your pool water, leaving you with clean water for you and your family to enjoy. To operate, simply turn the unit on, put it in your pool, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a clean pool for you and your family. Before you waste more time on cleaning your pool, let the Centennial do it for you. Quick, simple, and easy.